Have you been looking for a performance SUV with styling and reliability that won't break the bank? We'll take a look at this 2019 Alfa Romeo Stelvio di Lusso in Alpha White. With high-performance bi-xenon headlamps, satin aluminum window surround moldings, 20-inch aluminum wheels, gloss yellow brake calipers, LED tail lamps, dual bright exhaust tips, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 15,000 miles on the odometer, 8.8-inch color display, navigation, rear backup camera, Alpha DNA drive modes, second row USB port, dual-pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5923.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.